Ever wonder how to handle different currencies when you're using PayPal for international transactions or managing global funds? First, log into your PayPal account. You'll be taken to your summary page, which shows your current balance. Next, click on the Wallet tab located at the top of the page, usually between Activity and Send and Request. Scroll down until you see the PayPal Balance section, and below your primary currency balance, you should see a link that says Currency Converter. Click on that link. You will now see the currency conversion form. Use the From drop-down menu to select the currency you want to convert from. Then in the next box, enter the amount you want to convert. Next, use the To drop-down menu to select the currency you want to convert to. After you've selected both currencies and entered the amount, PayPal will display the exchange rate and any associated fees for the transaction. Make sure to review this information carefully before proceeding. If you are happy with the exchange rate and fees, click Convert Now to finalize the currency conversion. You will then see a confirmation page detailing the successful conversion. You can now use your converted funds. Remember to check PayPal's Help Center for up-to-date information on their currency conversion fees.